itim, isda. Gusto niya Spider-Man. Wow! Ang ganda naman!
Tagal natin.
Ibibis ka na po na
Isa pa.
Ang tripod ko. Kaya ako dito ng mic na hindi pa ako.
Cute naman! Anak mo? Ay, hindi po. Makakita naman kasi parang akala ko. Ay, wow! Happy birthday! Wow! Si Nemo! Sabi ng daddy niya, ambot sa Nemo daw.
Oh, hug.
Hello, Islat. How are you?
Family! Okay, and now, before we dive in, who wants to bring some of our exciting prizes home? Raise your hands. Yeah, mukhang si Kidlat lang ang may gusto ng mga prizes natin today. Yung Pinoy finalist. Get ready for the magic show later. In the meantime, Alright, let's do it again. Make it a bit faster this time. Sing Happy Birthday to you, Malakas! You, Malakas! Everybody, please a big round. I'm looking for a white small sheet of paper with Samantha's. Guys, louder please. Bring me! This time, belt or cinturon! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yeah. Oh, everybody clap your hands for one beat! Oh, there you go! What? Yeah! Oo naman, wala nang lumaban nung tumayo ka ng beat. Kidlat, would you like to say something to Sam?
Happy birthday, Sam!
Oh! Guys, everybody clap your hands for Kidlat! Wow! Here we go, Chamba Wamba. Arrange your group according to your age. Edad, go! Pinakabata sa harapan! Pinakabata sa harapan! Sigaw! Wala pang nasigaw, ha? Wala pang nasigaw! Sigaw! Tama, wala pinaka! Oh! There you go. Yeah. Naunang sumigaw ang team ni Sir Kong. Yeah. You will receive exciting prizes. And then ang matatalo magti-TikTok. Okay? Yeah. Alam ko, laban na laban si Tito Kong. Alright, Tito Kong. Baka naman gusto niyong manalo. Yeah. Okay. Ito na next round, Chamba Wamba. Date of your birth! Go! Thank you so much, everyone is the highest. I'm sorry, Idol Kong. But as we advertise, kailangan yung mag-TikTok. Alright? You know. Alright, here we go. Yeah. You know the chorus? One more. Alright, everybody, clap your hands. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Naging videographer, no? Tingnan mo.
Happy birthday, Sam. Sana masaya.
Baka gusto na mag-BM.
Daddy, oh my God. Happy birthday, Sammy! I love you! Nandito lang ako lagi. Pag may hiya kay tita, lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Happy birthday! Are you happy? Masaya ikaw. I love you. So kapag kailangan mo ng kausap, teenager.
And can I invite one more time for the quick group photo? Chino.
So yun lang. Happy birthday, Sam-Sam. Manatiling mabait na bata at maging healthy ang iyong mental, spiritual, physical, emotional health. Ayun lang.
Please don't go too far, ha? Picture tag group po.
Lahat kung bakit maraming tao dito.
Sino yan?
Oh, there you go. Look and smile to the camera. Bravo. Sige. Sir Cobb, mamaya ka pa.
Ayaw makipagtinginan ni
Ladies and gentlemen, next, please put your hands together for Daddy Jeffrey Rocco.
Hello, down! Video mo doon muna.
Forever, please put your hands together.
Ang smoke. Galing ah!
Everybody, big hand for Daddy Jeff and alright. Wala pa kayo mga kamay, palakpakan mo naman. Okay. Now, can I invite the rest of the participants for the 7 dance? Emmanuel, Kidlat, RJ, Navi, Junie, Idol Kong, together with Edwin, Rolando, and Daddy Jeff. Picture muna tayo. Let's go. And then after, meron pa tayong mga giveaways. And we will be announcing the winner for today's Best Under the Sea costume to receive a bucket full of cake. Number 1. Yan. Sige. Alright, table number 1 for test panel. Okay, 1, 2, 3, we good?
Ang video mo lapit na. Ayun yung manok! Ayun yung manok ko!
Watch closely, kiddos, watch! Sige, meron na ditong bata ang higpit na kapit. Alright. Everybody clap your hands with your hands to the magician!
Bahay, ako si Nognog. Yan. Pinos, siya nga pala si Nognog. Palakpak naman ulit para sa akin. Guys. Thank you. Okay, Nognog, ano? Pag tayo magsimula, pati mo muna sila lahat sa mga. Teka lang ka. Sumuko ka na! Hoy! Ayun siya una sa harap natin, oh. Hello, Sam! Happy birthday! Hindi na ako nakakain.
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Paknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!